Minister munene uria nowe minister wa maudu maja wa bururi Musalia Mudavadi augite Kenya iri na mubango wa kwagirithia miikarire ya ethari ngui riria mari guku bururi-ini mubango-ini uria uikaine ta Shirika Plan. Akiaria muciini munene wa Geneva bururi-ini wa Switzerland hindi ya mucemanio wa 74 wa mabaruthi, Mudavadi augite kuri na makiria ya ethari ngui 600,000 kambi-ini itiganite iria iri guku bururi-ini riri ethari ngui 80,000 mateithiriirio gucokereria mabururi-ini mao.
I carry with me the wisdom of refugees and host community stories that are a reminder that Kenya's history is intertwined with migration challenges and opportunities. It is a legacy that inspires our nation's approach to refugee management, that is a commitment to transition from traditional camps to integrated settlements under the visionary Shirika Plan. The Shirika Plan is our resolve to empower refugees and host communities alike. It embodies the lessons of our long and protracted refugee hosting history. The Shirika Plan involves a wide range of sectors, including education, water, sanitation and hygiene, health and nutrition, livelihoods, self-reliance, social protection, environmental management and energy, agriculture, housing,